Shalom from Efrat. We all want to wish you all, family and friends all over the world, a happy Hanukkah. Now, Hanukkah has a universal message. Basically, whenever you're feeling bleak and everything feels dark around you, whether your personal life or nationally or even globally, when everything seems bleak, just do whatever little you can to make a positive impact. Whatever little you think it is, make a positive impact and bring some light into the world. And light will spread quickly. Now I want to treat you all to a performance. My kids are going to sing their favorite Hanukkah song. Okay, Mira, sing.
Everyone, so, Hanukkah, Uchatos, Hanukkah, Uchatos, everyone, so,
Very good, Mira. Also notice that Naphtali and Mira made Chanukiot in Gan and school. Mira, hold up your Chanukiah. Isn't that beautiful? Naphtali, what about yours? You made in Gan? Look at it. Wow. Very beautiful. So once again, Hanukkah Sameach, Happy Hanukkah to friends and family all over the world, from the Cohen family, from Efrat, Israel.